Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 12 June 2018, 14 of hour, 31 of minute and 39 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, what is a monorail train? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about what is a monorail train. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about what is a monorail train. A monorail is a railway in which the track consists of a single rail. The term is also used to describe the beam of the system, or the trains traveling on such a beam or track. Colloquially, the term monorail is often used to describe any form of elevated rail or people mover. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself, so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.